Right, since I've not been very well, I'm going to treat myself. Yeah. Did you know what I found? Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Easter, innit? So, we're going with this. Do you remember this? Do you remember when people done this? Oh my goody gosh. So I'm going to treat myself. We're going to have some chocolat. And then we're going to have some of these. I went to the chemist up in Tesco's and the pharmacy told me. And do you know what she told me? She told me that I got a temperature. She said, you got a bit of a fever, a temperature. She said, because it's not gone on for longer than 10 days, I can't give you antibiotics. I said, I don't want antibiotics. I just wanted to come in for some like sign or something. And she was like, yeah, you've got a temperature. I was like, have I? Well, didn't know that. Anywho, I'm still hungry. I'm actually starving. Do you remember when I'd done this, I had teeth both sides? Obviously, I'm missing a tooth there, aren't I now? Stop, that reminds me of ASMR. Stop it right now. Is that me or is it on my screen? Guys? Ow. This was, oh, and I got it because it was an offer. £2, I think. £1.50. I need a sweet treat. I do. I wonder what this would be like with. It is mini eggs, isn't it, that people done it with? I need to get that sorted. I can't believe I've got a temperature on. I didn't even know. Actually, it's so cold outside. I'm just cold. Oh, hang on. That is it, isn't it? When you feel cold? No? I don't know. Whatever. It's annoying when you've got to chew with one tooth. That is something else. I meant one side, not one tooth. I'm ill, so it's fine. I'm allowed. I'm going to go walk the dog off now, so I'll walk it off. I need to put that away. It's stuck on my tooth. This is why I should edit. People say no. I should. I'm an actual skank bag sometimes. Anyway, have a good day.